Good morning, students. So today we will move to the next tab, that is mailings tab. So reference tab is not for your syllabus. So mailing tab normally, so what I am teaching today, so it will come for your case study question. So what is mailing? Mailing, one more name for this mailing is mail merge. Mail merge is an option where one has to send letter with identical information to a group of people who resides at different locations. Means if I want to send a similar letter to number of people who resides at another location. So normally first step is that it consisting of mainly 5 steps. First one is set up the main document. Step 2 is that we have to create a recipient list. Third one is that if I want to edit the list, you can edit it. Fourth one is add the placeholders. And fifth one is we have to preview and complete the merge. So in this 5 step, so what is the ultimate use of this mail merge? Mail merge is completely different from email. One of the feature which provides in MS Word is mail merge. So to create this mail merge option, we don't want internet. But if I want to send any information to others, we want email. So for that one, I want a internet. So first step, what I will do is that first you have to create a main document. So main document is nothing but, so we have to write one letter. So in letter, first we will write the from address. Next, I will write the to address. You can write the to address the top side or bottom side. So I will put it blank because every time the to address will change. Now I will write the matter here. Hi dear. Already I have written this one. So hi dear, how are you? Here everything is fine. I will invite you and family to my birthday on 22nd January 21 in Taj Hotel. I hope you will come to my birthday and make it sweet. Then at the end what I will write is that yours Gagan. So this is the first step, main document. So main document, we have to write the from address, then we have to write the matter. So whatever we have to change to send to the next letter, that we have to put it blank. So in this letter, from address will be the same, matter will be the same, but for every letter I will change the to address. So for that one, so I will make the to address as blank. So once you have written the letter, so you have to save it. So click on office button, click on save. So you have to give a name for this one. So I will save in desktop. So I'll give the name as birthday and click on save button. So second step is that we have to create a recipient list. So how to create that one? So click on mailings tab. Here create group is there, start mail merge group is there, write and insert field group is there, preview result is there, finish is there. So you have to click on mailings tab, start mail merge group, then click on Start Mail Merge but drop down button. Here different options are there. Click on the last one, step by step mail merge wizard. So what is wizard? Wizards are nothing but set of boxes where we have to choose one option and we have to move to the next step. Wizards are nothing but set of boxes where we have to select any one option and click on the next button. Here in the first step, select the document type. What type of document are you working on? Four options are there: letters, envelopes, labels, and directory. So I have written the letter, so I will choose the letter option. By default, it is selected. So if you have written envelope, you can change. If you have written labels, you can change, or if you have created directory, you can use the directory. So I'll click on the first option, letters, then click on the next button. So next wizard step. Then the second question in second wizard, how do you want to set up a letter? Use the current document, start from a template, start from existing document. So here also I will use the first option, use the current document, because this document is already opened. For example, if you have saved the document yesterday and I want to choose that document on that time, you have to use the third option. And start from a templates. Templates are nothing but the saved documents. If I want to use the saved documents, you move to the second option. So here use the current document because the document is already open. Click on next. Then select recipients. Recipients means sender's address. Use an existing list, start from Outlook contact, type a new list. So till now I have not written any sender's address. So for that one I will click on type a new list option. If you have already created on that time, either you can use an existing list or select from Outlook contact. So I have not created the sender's address or recipient list, so I will click on the third option. So when we click on type in new list option, you just it bottom it shows a create button. Just click on this create button option. It opens a new address list dialog box. Here different columns are there: title, first name, last name, company, address 1, address line 2, city, then state, zip code, country code, home phone, work phone, email address. So in to address, I want some of the columns. So for this one, I will delete some of the columns. So here, new entry option is there, find is there, delete entry is there, customize columns button is there. Just click on the customize columns button. It opens a customize address list dialog box. In to address, I don't want the title field. Fields are nothing but the columns. Title, you click on delete. And are you sure want to delete field title? Any information content in this field will be deleted as well. So just click on yes button. I want first name, I want last name, so I don't want company name. So again delete, click on yes. I want address line 1, address line 2, I want city, I want, then I will delete this state. Then I want zip code. Zip code is nothing but pin code. So country I will delete. Home phone I will delete. Work phone I don't want. It is not possible to select multiple fields at a time and click on delete button. So I have to choose the fields one by one and to click on delete button. So I want to add one more field, that is a mobile. So click on add. It opens add field dialog box. Here I will write mobile. Click on OK. If I want to arrange these fields, either you can use a move up or move down button. So I will click on move up. So move up. So mobile number goes upside. If I want to make it down, move down, move down. So click on OK. Now I have to create a list here. First name, I will write Vijay Khanna. So address line I will write first cross, then address line 1 I will write Hubli Road, city I will write Bangalore, zip code, then mobile number 10 numbers. So you have created a one recipient list. Now I will click on new entry button. So it creates a one more blank row. Here I will write the second name. I will create a one more one new entry. I will create one more one. Okay. So after that, what I will do is that I will click on OK button. So I have created the recipient list. Four lists are there. So click on OK. Now it opens a save address list dialog box. Here I have to give a name for recipient list. So I will write address 1. So I will click on save button. So if I want to make any editings, it opens mail merge recipient dialog box. Instead of this Khanna, if I want to make it as Khan, you can edit this one. You can sort it. If I want alphabet wise, you can do it this option, ascending or descending on which option you want. You can use things first name you want. You can do that one. Then click on OK. Then if I want to filter, if I want to find the duplicates, if I want to search any recipient, or if I want to edit anything, so you go for these options. So after that, click on OK. If you are not to change anything, then click on OK button. Next one is that here third step is over. Now I will move to the fourth step. Click on next. So before that, you have to place the cursor below this to address. Then here write your letter. If you have not already done so, write your letter now. To add recipient information to your letter, click a location in the document and then click one of the items below. Here four options are there: address block, greeting line, electronic postage and more items. So I will click on more items option. Then click on first name, click on insert, then close, then I will put one space. Again I will click on more items. Then last name, click on more items, click on last name, click on insert. Then in next line, more items, address line 1, insert, address line 2, insert. I will insert all the fields at a time. After that, I will do the editings, insert, click on close. Now address line 1 is there. In between address line 1 and address line 2, I will put on comma. Then city and zip code, in between city and zip code, I will put one hyphen. Then at the end, mobile number, here in between first name and last name, I'll put one space. This completes the step 4 of 6. Now I'll click on preview your letter. So just click on this option. Here first letter Gagan Hegde. So two addresses Bhagya Patil. Now I will click on this recipient button. See here, instead of Bhagya Patil, it changes to Bharat Kamath. Next, Sujata Hegde. Next one is Vijay Khanna. So at the end, step 5 of 6. Here, complete the merge. So when we click on this complete the merge, it opens a last step, that is step 6 of 6. Mail merge is ready to produce your letters. Here click on edit individual letters, merge to new document. Here select all, or if I want to send these letters to only first two persons, then from 1 to 2, or if I want to send to first three persons, from 1 to 3 you can do. So I want to send these letters to all the recipients, then just click on this OK button. It opens a new file. In the first page, Gagan Hegde to this Bhagya Patil. Now if I move to the second page, Gagan Hegde to Bharat Kamath. Third page, Gagan Hegde to Sujata Hegde. And fourth one, Gagan Hegde to Vijay Khanna. So ultimately, mail merge option is used to send a same letter to number of peoples who resides at different locations. Instead of deleting the two address every time, so what we can do is that, so we have to create one letter, and whatever changes I want to do, so I have to put it blank. Then you have to click on mailings tab, then click on start mail merge group. Here start mail merge drop down button, then you have to move to the step by step mail merge wizard. So after that, we have to create a recipient list. Then we have to field names add one by one. Then if I want to change any editings, you can do the editings at the end. So we have to merge the blank letter with the recipient list. So this is the case study question. So you have to draw 6 diagrams along with this letter. So I will send the notes today. Thank you one and all.